guys, and good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video guys, ngayon iba naman yung setting na makikita nyo. So for the past few weeks lagi lang ako nasa bahay. I'm just waiting for my college best friend. Pupunta kami ng BALER, Aurora. By the way guys, I'm all prepped up. So hinihintay ko na lang yung friend ko na sabihan ako na pwede na ako lumabas kasi i-meet up ko sila sa Sandigan kasi doon naman yung paway namin papuntang Aurora. So, I hope that you will enjoy this trip or video as much as I will kasi this is really a much needed trip for me. So yeah, let's go! Beach Resort. Yep, at exactly 4 p.m. Sorry, hindi ako masyado nag-vlog or like nag-video kanina sa biyahe kasi natulog lang ako. And actually I woke up around 4 a.m. To prepare. So yep. And ipapakita ko sa inyo yung view ko right now. Like, ang ganda guys. As in, dito masarap mag-chill and alam mo, wala masyadong tao. Dagat. Yan. Tinitingnan ko lang ganda nito beach resort nito. So, I'll just chill here kasi actually kakarating lang din namin. So, maya-maya mag-reviews ako and mag-aayos para makaligo na lang and we'll take lots of pictures, guys. And this is how I look, guys. Sorry if ever hindi lang nadinig kasi katabi ko yung aircon. Guys, I'm just taking pictures here para naman may post tayo sa Instagram. And hopefully narinig niyo ako. Pa-sunset na rin. And ayan, sige, di ba madalian ka ng mag-shoot or mag-pick ng marami. By the way guys, this is our room. And then beachfront lang siya. So as you can see. Then upon entering, here. Ayan, may 3 beds na agad. Ayan. So, dalawa dyan, tapos dito for single. And then, ito, vanity area, or kaya kung gusto mo mag-coffee, meron din aircon dito. And then, mirrors, meron din sink here. Ayan. And then, here's the CR, guys. I'll just show. Ayan, syempre, yung bowl, tapos shower. Ayan. guys! So happy lang na nandito talaga ako. And I just had like really good time staying here. Like sobrang peaceful. Pwede kang makapag self-reflect. Kasi nga sobrang relaxing lang